All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the help menu. So let's go to Photoshop, which I have open here, and let's click on the help menu, click on home. And what that does is that takes you to the inside of Photoshop like you have a project. Kind of cool. You can do Photoshop help, which will take you to a website. So you can look at this and get started, tutorials, user guide. Get quick answers and step-by-step instructions. Tutorials for novice to expert to help you expand your skills. That's really the Adobe Photoshop Learn and Support page. Photoshop tutorials. I highly recommend checking these out. Adobe is great about this. Okay, that's fine. Firefox is fighting with me right now. But Adobe is great about this, about putting good tutorials up online. So you can sort by beginner or experienced. So they'll give you more advanced projects, but I recommend looking at the beginner images. Look at the beginner tutorials to really expand your skills, because when I started using Photoshop, it was more for video. And as I've expanded my skill set throughout the years, I've done graphic design, print, web design, icon design, and mobile design. And so I've watched either tutorials here or on YouTube or somewhere else, free tutorials, learning different skills and stuff. So it's never a bad thing to keep learning, okay? So I highly recommend tutorials here or anywhere else you want to look. About plugins, so this is just a plugin that they have there. System info, this is just my system. Manage my account, it'll just take you to your account on adobe.com. Okay, there's my scheduled payment and my credit card info, etc. Sign out, so you can sign out of your account. Don't recommend doing that. And then updates. So updates you're going to find in I'm going to go back here, in here. So if you just click on this little button here, actually click on that. Let me see if I can find where they have updates. Let me change everything on me again. Oh, right here. I'm blind. So if you go to the Creative Cloud desktop and go to updates, that's going to update everything. And they have an update all button. So when there's an update, it'll show you here, new updates are available. It'll show the Photoshop icon here. And then you just click update all. Or you can enable auto update, which would do it for you. It's up to you. I don't recommend doing that right away because sometimes there's bugs. So I'm going to close this out. And thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.